Located in the heart of Kathmandu, Universal Electronics Institute offers comprehensive training programs in basic electronics and advanced electronics to help you develop the skills you need to succeed in these in-demand professions. Our experienced engineers provide hands-on training and personalized support to ensure that you gain the knowledge and confidence you need to excel in your career. With flexible class schedules and affordable training fees, our training center is the perfect choice for anyone looking to start or advance their career in these fields. Contact us today to learn more about our programs and take the first step towards achieving your career goals. Nepal's number 1, since 2000 AD, 24 years experience, 100% guarantee course, live practical training, theory 20% plus practical 80%, after training lifetime technical support, digital lab and certified institute, 100% job placement for excellent student. Course duration, regular, 45 days and short course, 25 days, training time, 1.5 hours per day, eligibility criteria, 8 to 10th class, at least completed grade 8, group structure, 6 participants per group. New classes are being conducted every 1 cent, 10th and 20th of the month. Our location, Universal Electronics Institute, Pako New Road, Kathmandu, opposite to Tamrakar Mobile Complex. Telephone number 015346260 and mobile number 9851198723.
Iron coil यार आयरन शीशे वगैरह बड़ा है ना आयरन शीशे वगैरह बड़ा है इकडे तरीके बात है वापस भी जाना लगा नहीं पता वापस चेहरा वापस लोग तुमने देना लगा लोग में लेकिन मैं आप कंडीशन दो दिन में I guess it will not change.